Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, it's time for entertainment. The YouTube streets are calling me and I did not want to get into this, but the conversation is so hot. Reason why I didn't want to even get into this, I don't like covering stories of people's passing per se, because I know the pain of losing a mother, right? Talking about passing, we are talking about the passing of Ugogo Manzini. May her soul rest in peace. Now, Ugogo Manzini has passed away. Ugogo Manzini was a famous Sangoma. We all know her. Okay, most of the people know her through Owami Entertainment, a YouTube channel where Owami breaks things down. One of her YouTube channels, right? I don't know if it's the one to Helen Beck or this one, but they are talking, right? Okay, sharp, no problem. Here's the thing. Now, ugogo lo bekane investment scheme, right? The investment scheme went wrong somewhere, somehow. Kanjani. In it going wrong somewhere, somehow, kanjani, the issue became where Owami was associated with the scam now. If it was a scam as alleged to be, right? So Owami was dragged. How Owami keeps on wanting to post mourning for her friend. You know what we do? You will post your good memories with a person to say, yo Mngani, I didn't see this coming, because no one saw it coming the way I am thinking, because everybody was a bit shocked. It's not as if Ugogo Manzini was in a deathbed or something. It's as if Ugo was about doing her own surgeries and then boom, death happened, right? Sharp. So people are saying Owami benefited from the Manzini investment. This is why people are saying that. There was a point where Owami was talking about equipment and she was grateful ukuthi uManzini umnikeze i-16,000 rand. Yes. uManzini umnikeze i-16,000 rand. Kuleyo 16,000, people are now associating the 16,000 rands with the scam or the investment that is alleged to be out there, right? Now, Owami came basically in a few words to say, give me some privacy during this difficult time. Give me space during this difficult time, but most importantly, allow me to mourn in peace. Those are the three things that I got from Owami's video. One, give me space during this difficult time. Allow me to mourn in peace. And then just allow me to breathe. Right? Sharp, no problem. Don't comment on my things. Leave me alone. But she knows it's not going to happen. People are going to say what they want to say. People are going to talk, because people are also hurt. To go to Manzini ushona kanjani asikweleta. Ayikho into ebuhlungu bazalwane ke, like a person dying while they owe you, because you know ukuthi you're never gonna get that money back. More especially if there is no contract between the two of you, because if there's a formal contract, you can go and contest their will with that formal contract and the husband would pay up, right? But now it looks like there is no contract. How Owami describes it, she says it looked like a pyramid scheme. That's why she never joined in on it. However, her video was based on the fact that no one came to her when the investment was going great. When people were making money, when people were cruising nicely, no one said anything. No one communicated. No one said, oh, Owami, here's a 50 rand. Shem, thank you for linking us with Gogo Manzini. This is what's happening right now, right? She also addressed the issue, Yoguti. She did not connect people with uManzini. Ugogo Manzini came to her channel. People watched her content or their interaction together. They liked her. They went to her channel. That's when they started this trading investment type of situation. Now, here's the thing. Everybody is going to have their say when it comes to this, right? And do I blame people that want Owami to give them reason? No. Why? People believe Uguti, this whole thing is a scam. She did not pass away, and Owami is being paid to cry a lot on social media so that it looks like vele indeed ukuthi umuntu hambile, And what Owami did was to explain the depth of their relationship. What Owami did was to explain ukuthi me and this person were so close that I sat on VVIP tables on the front row, literally next to the family, when it was her party. I spoke on behalf of the friends in her party. That shows on how important I am to Ugogo Manzini and that the family recognizes me. Meaning ukuthi the friendship was not necessarily fake. The friendship was genuine from both their sides. So people are blaming Ugello. Because remember, Owami always says she's Christian. So people are like, how can you be Christian and have umngani oyisangoma? Fair and good. I want to ask a question. How can you be Christian and have a mother that's a sangoma? What do you do with the mother? How can you be Christian and have a father that's a sangoma? How can you be Christian and have a daughter that's a sangoma? So somewhere, somehow, I think people need to understand ukuthi yes, you might not like Owami. Yes, Owami might be somehow, Yes, Owami might have her own things, but we cannot judge people on who they grow close to, because I personally believe ukuthi there's a season where a person will come into your life, and they will come into your life for that season and for that purpose. And there was a purpose why Umanzini was there in a season lebeka kuyo ku Owami, other than making money with YouTube videos. But there was a reason and there was a season. And now the reason and the season has ended, and people are now starting to say, what kind of umzalwane are you, even accepting money from Isangoma, money that could be money from sacrifices? Which is debatable, because even at church, the money we offer with, the pastors do not know where we take the money. They do not understand where the money comes from. So I do not get where the argument is going in that regard. But Owami is asking for peace of mind. Owami is asking for space. Owami is asking that you stop commenting on the channels. Furthermore, uthi khopela ho ebolela ka Setswana. Can I please say this in Setswana? Let's kantsentshang mo. Nako le ja joy le monate le phopha le rang le tsamaya le makutsumela le tikutlwa dipotla ne le santsentse gone be nong dipotla tsa lena di a vuza le nyoko ntsentsha ai mangnyana. Direct translation: when you guys were enjoying the soft life from benefiting from Manzini investment, no one involved me. You guys were popping champagne and doing what needed to be done. Now that your backs are against the wall, you're coming to involve me? No. So I don't know, guys. Do you think ukuthi Owami is guilty in the whole thing? Me personally, you all know Owami. I love her from the background story that I used to know her from YouTube, with what she presented. There are things that she would say lately which I would like not agree with, but personally, for me, where I'm seated, I do not think ukuthi Owami is wrong on this one. Owami saw a friend in a season, pursued that friendship for whatever reason that she had to pursue that relationship in this season. Furthermore, she ensured to be a good friend for Umanzini in that season. We don't know ukuthi Umanzini naye esayidini lakhe, what was she going through, like the gaps that Owami had filled. All we know is from the YouTube videos that we see. But Owami has now addressed it to say, guys, the way we were so close, nalo muntulo, I was even giving a speech at her party. That's a big deal, because not any Tom, Dick, and Harry gets to speak in a person's party, and she spoke on behalf of the friends, meaning ukuthi she was even now more closer to Umanzini more than the friends that grew up with Umanzini. So I don't know, guys. I might not necessarily agree with Owami every day, but I agree with her on the part yokuthi nimfaka endabeni ezingamfuni, nizenza amaphiciphici, because any situation can locate you. We all have friends who have done nice things for us, But in all those nice things that they have done for us, we never questioned where they got the resources to do the nice things for us. What we did instead was to say, thank you, siyabonga uNkulunkulu akubusise. So, what is different with OO1? Is it because she received 16,000 rands? Which we all do not know ukuthi maybe it could have been a payment. I'm appreciative ukuthi since you've been in my life as Owami, I've received more traction, I've received more clients, because not all Owami's ninjas are Christians. There are those that would say, yes, Umanzini, what she's offering, it's what I believe in and what I want to follow. So I don't know, guys. I don't know. Do you think it's warranted ukuthi abantu bakhulume the way bakhuluma ngaye on socials? Or do you think it's just pure evil, pure unfair, and they should just let her be? I'm sorry for that call, but our video has been concluded. This is your girl, Adisebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.